Alright, so we're looking at the AC in this car. The owner complained that the blower motor is not pushing out any air, so we're gonna check to see what is happening with the blower motor. This is a 2010 Suzuki Swift. So the blower motor is located behind the glove compartment, right below the glove compartment in this area. So if we can take a closer look, and here we have the blower motor. My first suspicion is that the resistor for this blower motor has gone bad. So we're gonna take a look at that and to see what is happening. Now I have removed the glove compartment. However, to get to the blower motor resistor, you have to first try and remove this little white piece of vent here. So that's it. See if we can get a closer look at it, so that we can get to the blower motor resistor, which is way behind there. Now the vent is removed, and let's see if we can get a closer shot of the resistor to see where it is located. Alright, there it is. There it is there. It is all the way there. So that is where the resistor is. So we have to get down and pull 2 screws to get that out, so we can check to see what is happening. That now, after taking such a very long time to get the resistor out from all the way down in there, so let me see if we can get you a better view as to where we are. Now this is it, right? This is the fan. This is where the evaporator is. So now between the fan and the evaporator compartment, there you can see the light that lies the resistor housing down there. Now this is the resistor. Now it is finally out. Now the thing is with these is that sometimes they do get a bit corroded, runs hot, and causes the blower motor to chip out. Now we're gonna try and see if we can get this changed, replace it with a new one, and then see what's next. Alright, so now we have a blower motor resistor. This one was taken from another car. This one is not brand new, but it is a genuine part which matches up. So we're gonna put it in and see if that makes the fan works. All right. All right. So now that we have gotten the blower motor in, let's blower motor in all the way back down in there. Let's see if we that have solved the problem.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright, there you go. Hear the fan spinning. So I guess the problem has been solved. We turn it up on all the functions. You can hear the fan spinning. Now we're going to start the car and see if the AC works.
Bluetooth mode.
Alright, compressor comes in. Alright, car is getting cool slowly but surely. So there you go, guys. Lower motor resistor change in a 2010 Suzuki Swift.